USAF selects Virtualitics for AI-based maintenance and aircraft readiness contract. The U.S. Air Force Global Strike Command has awarded California-based tech firm Virtualitics an AI software contract to improve the service's aircraft availability and mission readiness. Under the agreement, the data company will establish a new center of excellence to produce related AI-based services. The AI capabilities developed from the program are expected to provide data to predict maintenance and manpower needs, optimize supply chain applications, and manage inventory for Air Force aircraft and missile systems. The solutions will also be utilized to identify aircraft maintenance parts and resources. We're extremely proud to grow our partnership with the United States Air Force to solve some of the world's most complicated problems and support vital missions carried out across the globe, Virtualitics co-founder and CEO Michael Amori said. Increasing mission-capable rates. According to Virtualitics, the agreement will support the U.S. Air Force's mission-capable (MC) rates, a metric for measuring the readiness and quality of an aircraft fleet. The service can forecast failures and raise its MC rates by applying the company's AI techniques. The solutions will also enable technicians to proactively address vital issues during the Air Force's routine maintenance and decrease unplanned downtime. Predictive maintenance will absolutely change the game for commanders, explained Major General Jeff Taliaferro, U.S. Air Force, Reg. Virtualitics makes it possible for not only improved day-to-day decisions but even more importantly deployment decisions. Knowing in advance an aircraft will need a major repair before deployment will enable much better decisions that could save missions and millions of taxpayer dollars.